okay.
My nan and my granddad went to Japan, and I asked them to bring me back anything Naruto related. As you can see, figurine straight from Japan. Yeah. Wait. It come unbuilt. I have to put it together myself, which I think is sick. Big up my nan and granddad for this. Nah, this is sick. Straight from Japan as well. Are you nuts? What? Nice and simple. They have movement to it. That's pretty cool. Clips together. Okay, first one goes in like that. Jeez. Authentic Naruto from Japan. Are you nuts? That's so sick. Thank you, Nan, and thank you, Grandad, for that. I appreciate that so much. I'm going to cherish this for the rest of my life. It comes with a stand as well. Yeah, man. Never mind the mess over there. But yeah, look at this. Thank you so much, Nan and Grandad. That's so sick. Man's really got a Naruto out here. What? And also, they gave me this as well from Japan, obviously. It says late bloomer. Been through a lot, but shining late. Thank you very much. I've also got a few bits of food, some biscuits, some snacks, and noodles that I'm going to try and give ratings, a review to. So stay tuned for that. Now, thank you so much, Nan. Thank you so much, Grandad. Yeah, let's go back to the game with people talking to me. Yo.